Hi, I'm Mark.
And I'm Valerie, and we're at my home. We spent the week in Las Vegas at CES 2020 to find out what's new in smart home technology, and we wanted to bring our experience to you.
Let's hear what one company had to say.
Mike Dunlap with Luminook. We've got a rechargeable lighting system, LED strip that has a rechargeable battery to light up any dark space, whether it's a closet or pantry. We have a rechargeable battery, 12 volt, that goes in and has 3 sensors on the top, so you can actually activate via either opening the door or reach in. Here's an example of our space right here. So on this, we're showing a single sensor with a rechargeable battery, and then the second sensor right here on the side for the double door. This comes with a phone app that takes you through the setup process, tells you how to angle our hardware. So you angle the LED strips exactly how you can angle them into what you're trying to light up. The clips come in the kit, so you can, everything out of box, you can set up a single or double closet or pantry, whatever dark space you have, whether it has power or doesn't have power. Our 3 sensors right here. We have a time of flight sensor, which most lighting systems do not. So if there's a door, as soon as that beam, the time of flight beam gets broken, it activates our system. We also have an ambient light sensor, and then also a regular motion sensor. So you get on Kickstarter.com. Our campaign started Monday, and we funded in like 15 hours.
Thanks for joining us here in Las Vegas for CES 2020.
We've included more information about the company we visited and their products in the description box below. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
And for more smart home stories, visit appmyhome.com. Thank you.
Thank you.